Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I think today I have decided I'm going to try a swipe. You probably have never seen me do this before because I am really bad at them. So I had watched one that Courtney Holzer had done. I believe that's how her name is pronounced. And I'll put a link to it in my description box. And I really liked the way it turned out. And she used a lot of paint and it was thin. So I have laid down a white base coat that is really thin. I have black that's really thin. I popped most of my bubbles in the base coat. And I have some silver that's really thin. So I'm gonna try going right down the middle. With the black. Wish I hadn't left that white puddle in the middle. And I'm gonna go on top of that with some silver. And I think this is the only colors I'm gonna use. I think she used some other color. I think she used a different color, but it was similar to silver. And then I think she put down some white. I can't remember, it's been a little while. So I have here my shop towels. So I'm going to spray this one. Seems like I usually get these too wet. But I'm going to swipe towards you guys first. She did this on a really big canvas. And then she did this. I think I see something right there. This looks a little funky right here. This looks pretty good. I don't know. Seems like I saw one where she tilted it too. But I don't know if I want to do that. I want to get that little place right there, right in there, covered up with something though. Okay, now I'm gonna shift it back. It's gonna go all weird on me, but that's okay. Because we know I kind of like weird. So I think I want this covered in that corner. Now, I'm just gonna let it trail down there a little bit. Well, I do actually kind of like this. You know, the weird thing is I almost want to take the blow dryer to it. I do like this. I think this is cool. And I love this right in here. I just want to kind of swish that and see what happens. That didn't work. That metallic is not wanting to move. It's a little bit heavier. And I have a white spot over here I'm not wild about from that base coat. I'm going to dull that down a little bit. Try something. Well, that didn't work. Y'all are gonna start watching my videos to see what not to do. Don't do this. Well, it certainly is different. I like it though. I have something there. I believe it was a hair that messed up the entire thing up here. Oh, me. So, see the hair mark? It's right there. Let's see what happens if we go back this way a little bit. See if it'll still move. I don't know. I can't tell if it's moving. I don't think it is. Oh man, that hair really made a mess. I'm sure this is going to be the wrong thing to do, but I'm going to do it anyway. That was the wrong thing to do. Well, bet that sticks out like a sore thumb now. We'll do a couple more. I don't like that. Wish I hadn't done that. Well, oh well, there's so much of this that I really like. Really, really, really like. Been wanting another one of those anyway. Oh yeah, I like that. If you don't want big lots of water, you have to stand way back here with the water bottle. Let's see how this does. Oh yeah. Ooh, I like that. Oh, I love that. Yeah, it's a keeper. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm gonna take the camera down and let you all see it up close. The only part I don't really love is this one right here, but I think out of 4 corners, if I have one that I'm not in love with, I can live with it. Thank you for watching. Hello to all my new subscribers. We'll be having a giveaway here hopefully in the next couple of weeks because I'm up to almost right at 950. So when I hit 1,000, we're gonna have a giveaway. I'm gonna give you all some paintings to decide if you want to enter for. And thank you so much for subscribing and share this and click for notifications. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm gonna try to keep this where the ceiling light doesn't reflect on it so bad. So that's how it looks from up top. But the detail I absolutely love is right down in here. And how it draped. I love how that silver and black blended. I hope it dries pretty. And the way it dripped and ran. And then up here, it draped down from me having the silver at that one end and then flipping it over and letting it run back the other way. So it kind of draped down on that side. So I like this. I think it's very cool. It's very dark, so I don't know, you know, how many people would like that, but I do like it. I think it has some very interesting elements to it. That one corner up there is a little weird, but the whole thing's weird, so that's okay. The whole thing is weird. I just like it. I love these drapey ones. I was thinking about doing another spray bottle one anyway, and I didn't know what colors I wanted to go with, so sorry about my reflection. But that's how it turned out. Thanks for watching.